Going, rolling.
Oh no, Mum, it's upside down.
It's upside down. I'm sorry, kind heart. Right, turn it over.
Yeah,
Okay. All right, is that better?
I don't think that's going to work, is it?
No.
I think you better turn it back the other way.
Okay, all right then. All right. That's all right then.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay.
So I just want to say to little Martha, who's my number one fan apparently, and she's wonderful. I'm trying to cook dinner at the same time as doing this. So Martha, yes, you're right. It was horrible out there today. It was actually not too bad to start with, because I had a tailwind from York. So I got, quite a lot of the day done. We're not too much trouble. I mean, it was windy. Tailwind's not too bad. And then I got to about 3 hours from home, and it just turned to
Winter.
horribleness. A blizzard. I've been cycling through a blizzard. It's the end of April, and there are blizzards.
Snow blizzard.
Snow blizzards. Are there any other kind of blizzards?
I don't know.
So,
sleet and snow and hail.
yeah, it hailed, and it was just nasty. Nasty it was.
Yeah.
So I hope it's not going to be like that again. Well, kind of I do, because I should have taken my action camera out today to film the nastiness. And next time maybe I will. I'm sorry about the chewing gum, that's really, really bad. No chewing gum. What chewing gum?
The one you swallowed?
No, because if you swallow them, then they'll sit in your stomach forever.
No, they don't.
Yes,
they
they
end up
do.
in your appendix, but you haven't got one, so it doesn't matter.
Tell the world, why don't you? So that was it, and I was back in Nottingham, going to Pedal Norfolk at the weekend. Have you got anything to say, Mum?
Yeah. Nah.
No,
Nah.
no,
Nah. It was a cold day. Bloody cold.
no, Mum. It's just
Sorry,
cold.
it was very, very cold today. And, yeah, I had some problems with the caravan today as well, but it's all right. It's all right.
We're not going to discuss what Mum did to my caravan. Are we, Mum?
No, we're not.
So we're going to just go now instead, so that I don't blurt it out.
Yeah.
Switch it off then, Mum.
Okay.
Bye.